Hello everyone! In today's video, we are diving into the incredible health benefits of sweet potatoes. These colorful tubers are packed with nutrients that can surprisingly boost your health, so let's delve in. Sweet potatoes are nutrient-dense, rich in vitamins A and C, calcium, potassium, and beta-carotene. Consuming 100 grams of this tuber provides essential nutrients for maintaining good health. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which is essential for digestion, preventing constipation, and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, which can help with weight management. Sweet potatoes are superheroes among plants, loaded with powerful antioxidants like beta-carotene and chlorogenic acid. Antioxidants protect cells from damage and even promote healthy skin. The darker the flesh of sweet potatoes, the greater their antioxidant activity, so go for those deep-hued varieties for consumption. Sweet potatoes are immune-boosting superheroes due to their vitamins and antioxidants. A strong immune system helps the body fight off infections. Sweet potatoes are beneficial for diabetics due to their low glycemic index. It contains slow-release carbohydrates and the hormone adiponectin that can steady blood sugar levels. The potassium in sweet potatoes allows you to excrete more sodium, lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of hypertension and heart disease. Sweet potatoes are good for your eyes. It contains beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A, which is vital for clear vision, especially in low-light situations. Nutrients that are essential for your well-being are abundant in sweet potatoes, so ensure to include them in your grocery list to relish their incredible health benefits in your meals. If this video helped you discover the wonders of sweet potatoes, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content on nature's superfoods. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.